Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a single page layout for my scrap therapy book, and I am using my scraps. You guys have seen me do these type of videos before where I just honestly stack scraps of paper, but I wanted to give you guys the idea or share the idea that you can put them at this angle. I'm not gonna be talking to you guys for the entire video because you guys have seen this in the past and there's nothing to it, you guys. This is just literally a single page, and I am gluing the strips of paper in this angle, and I'm just gonna trim them up, cover the whole page, and then I am going to use a big title, which is gonna be love, and I'm gonna put that in the center, but I'm gonna add it with some foam tape so that it pops from the background. And that's it, you guys. I mainly wanted to share this with you because you guys know that I like to recycle and just kind of not be wasteful, and I thought that this was a great idea to create a pretty background for your paper using those extra brand strips that come on your 12 by 12 pages. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. This is like I said, a single page. You are gonna see me put it back on my scrap therapy book, and what you don't see is that the other page that this goes to, because obviously the scrap therapy book is a book, so there is a side I end up using as journaling, the whole entire left side of this page. So I'm not gonna share the like me sitting down and journaling, because guys, I legit use this as a therapy book, and I do write my feelings and emotions and my thoughts and things like that. Just know that this was meant to be a single page, and the other side of the notebook is entirely from top to bottom a excuse you, Cholo, I'm talking. What was that? You see, they're coughing or yawning, or he's got a hairball. But anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the entire other page that's gonna be beside this one is used from top to bottom with journaling. And this video is going to end with me using a ruler and a pencil and just creating the lines so that I can write somewhat straight. And that's gonna be it, you guys. So again, I know I repeated myself like 5,000 times, but again, I just wanted to give you like slightly different thought of using your scraps of paper or your brand strips to create a background that's not going vertical or not going horizontal, and it's basically in an angle. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's super short. Thank you so much for watching, and I hopefully will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to say essentially this is the layout right here. Like I said, I'm just going to finish up by creating my lines so that I could journal a little bit straight. But this is the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good week. Bye.